Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 4b, means chapter number 4, which is further expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. So this is book 2 and we are going to solve question number 3 of this book, of this exercise, because I have uploaded question 1 and 2 previously on my channel. Now it's time for question number 3. So basically this exercise is related to the identities. So we are going to solve it. Means question number 3 says expand each of the following expressions. Means part A and part, there are 4 parts, and we are going to solve using one of the 3 identities. So let's solve question number 3. So now we're going to solve question number 3. So in this question we are going to use the identity which is A plus B, A minus B. We have a question in this form and we are going to write it like this, means A square minus B square. Okay, so this is our identity. So in part A of this question, they have said minus s minus 5 and s plus 5. Question is in this form, we are going to write it in this form, means we are going to write one time, means one time a square, and one time b into b is b square. So s into s is s square, minus plus is minus, and 5 into 5 is 5 square. We are going to write it in square form, and then we need to solve the square also. So s would be remain as it is, and 5 square is 25, but we are going to write it 25 like this. Okay, so now we have solved the square also. Means we need to give the answer of the brackets in the form of square numbers. Okay, so now let's move towards part B. So in part B, we are having the same thing. The whole question follows the same identity. So it's 2t. Yeah, let me just confirm it. So it's 2t plus 11. 2t plus 11. And 2t minus 11. Now we are going to do the same thing. 2 into t is 2t square, plus minus is minus, then 11 into 11 would be 11 square. Now we are going to solve the square. So 2 square is 4. T would remain as it is, but we need to still put the square because we are having t over here, and the square of 11 would be 121. And it would be remaining like this. So this was part B. Now let's move towards part C. So part C says 7 2u, 7 plus 2u and 7 minus 2u. So 7 one time, 7 square, minus plus is minus. Remember when we are writing in squares, so in identity it would be always negative sign, because minus plus is minus, and we can see from the rule also of the identity which we are using. Okay, and 2u and u would be 2u square. So 7 square 49, it would remain as it is because we have taken out the square. 2 square is 4, and u, it would be remaining like a square number because we don't have a square of u. Now in part D, which is the last part of this question, it is w minus 10x and w plus 10x. So we are going to write it w square minus 10x square. Okay, so we can write it in brackets also, it's your choice. So w square would remain w square, and it would remain 100x square because we are having x also with 100. So these were all 4 parts of question number 3 of exercise 4b. So we just use one of the identity, which was a plus b and a minus b, and the answer would be given in the form of a square, means a square and b minus b square. So this was the identity that we use in this question. So this was exercise 4b, question number 3. I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.